Good morning students, this is class 10th and we are going to discuss about the agriculture. As you know that agriculture this is not new for us because in India one third population engaged in farming and agriculture is a primary activities also from the early man till now. It is one kind of primary activities because most of the person engaged in agriculture. So agriculture is a primary activities which is produce most of the food that we consume. Besides food grains, it's also produce material for the various industries. So you will find that industry they get their raw material from where? From agriculture. So agriculture it is one of the important activities. So now types of farming. There are three types of farming we have, that primary subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming and commercial farming. As you know that agriculture is one of the old activities in our country. Our agriculture it is a what we can say in agriculture it is it is a medium of number of people how they are going to survive for their survival and etc. But agriculture is depend on the different kinds of various climatic conditions, their characteristic, their land, rainfall, etc. All this include in this agriculture. So now I am going to discuss first about the primary subsistence farming. What is primary subsistence farming? This type of farming is still practiced in few pockets of land. It means very few person these kinds of agriculture they do this type kinds of farming because it does not involve big machines and harvesting machines and insecticide pesticide. Only that farmer they grow crops into small field and along with their family member and they use primary tools digging how like this and they not grow this crops for sale into the market. They grow crops for their own survival for their family members. This is called primary subsistence farming and it is also called slash and burn farming. What is called? It is slash and in primary subsistence farming also known as slash and burn farming. In this kind of activity generally those small farmers when they don't have a land and they're roaming here and there they clear the patches of the land and they burn the forest and after agriculture they move from one place to another place. This is also called zooming method. You may have a question in your board examination that what do you mean by zooming agriculture? So zooming agriculture means when farmer they clear the patches of the land, they burn the forest and they make patches for the agriculture along with their animal and after doing one time agriculture they used to move from one place to another place. It is called zooming or slash or burn. So I repeat again, this type of farming is still practiced in few pockets of India. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on a small patches of land with the help of the primary tools like hoe, dog, digging, sticks and family community labor. These types of farming depend on the monsoon. You will, as you know that monsoon already it has been arrived, so they don't have a irrigation facilities like pump house, bore well and all. So they depend on the monsoon. If good monsoon, so good crops. If monsoon is not good, so they don't have a good crop. So total it is called gamble of monsoon. Primary subsistence farming it is, you can say it is gamble of monsoon. If enough water, enough crops. Lack of water, so lack of crops also. So next point is a intensive subsistence farming. What is intensive subsistence farming? It is different from primary subsistence farming. I told that in primary subsistence farming they involve family member, they use animals, and they do not use harvesting machine. They depend on the monsoon and they grow crops for their own survival. But intensive subsistence farming, they use some tools, they have bore wells, and they involve some labors also. But difference is that they not only grow crops for their own survival, as well as they grow crops to sell into the market. It is called intensive subsistence farming. There is a difference. You need to understand both primary subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. So this types of farming is practiced in an area of the high population and where is the number of laborers. Intensive farming where high dose of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for the obtaining higher production. Generally, as I told you that they use high equipment, HYB seeds, etc. So this is second one, intensive subsistence farming. Last one is a commercial farming. Commercial related with commerce. Commerce means business. When you are growing crops for the business purpose, it is known as a commercial farming. See, answer is hidden in word only. Commercial farming. Commercial. Commerce means business. When you grow crops for the business purpose, it is called commercial farming. The main characteristics of this type of farming is the use of higher dose of modern inputs, high yielding variety of seed. It is called HYV. High yielding variety of seeds they grow. Apart from that, the agriculture various from of the region. Some example of rice commerce crops in Haryana. Apart from that, plantation is also type of commercial farming. Plantation agriculture. Commercial farming include plantation agriculture. So plant as a agriculture like banana, especially in South India, like tea in Assam. So plantation kinds of agriculture also include commercial agriculture. So plantation is also a type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are the important commercial crops. So I would like to revise again about the agriculture. What is agriculture? First you need to understand about this also. Agriculture. Already you have learned in class 6, 7, 8. But now in that area agriculture means production of crops. But here in class 10 there is a broad meaning. Agriculture not only production of the crops as well as it include fishing, forestry and agriculture. This is called full definition of agriculture. Agriculture one of the oldest activities in India. How much population engaged? In India, 1/3 population engaged in agriculture. Agriculture, we have three types of agriculture: primary subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, and commercial subsistence farming. Primary subsistence farming means when the farmer they do agriculture along with their family members and they depend on the monsoon. They do not use modern equipments like harvesting machine and all, and they grow crops for their own survival for their family members only. It is called primary subsistence farming. Second one is a intensive subsistence farming. So intensive subsistence farming, they grow crops not only for their family member as well as to sell into the market, and they involve number of laborers, they do agriculture in a big land and all. Third one is a commercial farming. Commercial farming means production only for the commercial purpose for sale into the market. It's also include plantation agriculture like tea, coffee, banana, rubber, etc. It is one of the important crops of commercial farming. So for today, this much only. Good day and have a nice day.